Eli! What are you doing, baby? See, I started out over here. And now I'm over here. You're so little. Oh my goodness. Eli. Eli. What are you doing, baby bear? I'm giving mommy a heart attack. You know, the usual. Oh, baby bear. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Okay, that's enough. Enough walking. Let's keep crawling. Let's crawl. Crawling is much more safe. Hi. Look how cute you are. I'm playing with my shoe. Say it's a pretty shoe, huh? Pretty dress, pretty dress. Still a monster. Pretty little monster. Oh, you're so cute.